Team Genius Squad supports all learning styles by providing visual-based educational activities. The genius behind it? 10-year-old Ava Simmons, who did not let her reading challenges stop her from becoming a STEM leader, who provides various literacy and entrepreneurial programs globally.
In 2021, during the pandemic, I was diagnosed with a reading disorder. So I started Team Genius Squad that will help me with my reading and math skills and to encourage others. STEM to me is fun activities and exploring more and learning how STEM is a part of our daily lives and how it helps us in so many important ways, and encouraging others to know why STEM is important and what it does. And learning that never let your challenges find your success or future, and you can always find your inner genius in things that you love.
For us, the biggest thing, one of our biggest challenges is funding. So that's why we do sell merchandise, because trying to get donations and funding is a little bit hard for us. We are a 501c3 nonprofit, but everybody needs funding. And so the way that we do the majority of ours is able to build and brand products and sell them, and then take the proceeds from that. But I think that's one of our biggest things, is trying to get individuals to consistently donate so that we can go out in the community more and give away a lot more things.
Well, some ways I give back to the community is I do experiments in the community and give away my products. And I also do experiments like lemon light or volcanoes, and we provide the stuff for them, like the glasses, the jacket, and the goggles. And then we provide the equipment they need to do the experiment, like for the volcano experiment. 3, 2, 1. Woo! We got some certified geniuses! So we did the thing where we went to our neighborhood, and because it's in our self-division. So there was my school, and we did the experiments with the kids, like the off-space reaction, and we had glass bottles and cups so we could give it to the kids, and then we gave them equipment like the baking soda and vinegar, and then we gave it the supplies to them so they could do it.
Yeah, so the kids from her school and kids that are in her classrooms were able to be a part of an actual experiment in large scale. It's so many different facets to what we're doing. They're touching on so many different areas in kids' lives, from seeing Ava, knowing her story of having a reading disorder, where she's changing the narrative for kids that may not be at the level as everyone else on the academic scale, but they're just as smart, just as intuitive, just as innovative, just as creative. And I think that's what she's kind of sharing and showing other kids. And then allowing Ava to speak to these things. I think a lot of times you'll meet a kid and you'll say, oh, I want to, talk with the child and see. And they're like, no, I don't know exactly what it is. I don't actually do it. But as you can see with Ava, she understands the manufacturing. She understands the financial requirements of what she's doing. And she understands how she's impacting the world. And I think that's another big part for us, where we say, okay, this is something that she's 10. She's been doing it for 2 years. When other kids see her, I know they're going to be encouraged, and their parents, to get them involved in something very similar. It's much more people to actually see her and see the passion in her, and from the words that she's saying, that she really, really means, what she's doing, and it's her thing. And she wants to encourage other people to find what's really important to them and what helps them be great.